Chat GPT came out with this fresh update, right, where it added internet access and plugins to its repertoire. Ever since the plugins made their debut, I've given almost all of them a whirl and narrowed it down to 5 of the best ones that you guys definitely gotta check out. So the deal is, plugins and internet access are still in the beta stage, and they're exclusively up for grabs with the Chat GPT Plus subscription, setting you back like $20 a month. Once you've bagged that subscription, what you gotta do is hit those 3 dots and dive into the settings. Right there, under the Beta Features tab, you need to flick on Plugins. After you've done that, you swing over to GPT-4 and there you select Plugins. Now in this tab, you hit Plugin Store and boom, you can browse all the available plugins. So the first plugin we're going to spotlight in this video is Speak. This little gem is a godsend for anyone looking to learn other languages or needing some top-notch translations for work. To take this plugin for a spin, we gotta download it. After that, you hit the cross, and just like that, there's our plugin. If it's not in the cards for your work right now, you can totally power it down. Let's see this bad boy in action. I type, translate this text into French, and I'll paste in the text that needs translating. So after a hot minute, we've got our translated text. But wait, there's more. It even gave us a few alternative translations with different tones, and even an example of a French conversation using our text. If you're all about languages, or if it's a necessity, I seriously think the Speak plugin is a killer tool. The next 2 plugins on our top list are called Kayak and Expedia. I'd place these plugins in the travel category because they greatly assist folks who love to travel. They do almost the same job, so we engage one of them and say, find me the best deal on a hotel in Paris on June 30th for 2 people. I specify the date, the number of people, and you can even mention how many stars you want this hotel to have, and any other criteria that might be important to you. So it found several locations for Paris, and we need to clarify exactly where we want to go. Now it has provided the most advantageous options, where it has indicated the location of each hotel, the price per night, the rating, and even how much we can save at a specific hotel with a link that leads to their website, where more detailed information about the hotel is provided. So the next tool is called Show Me Diagrams. This tool generates any required information in the form of a diagram. This kind of information is much easier and clearer to comprehend. For example, I will write, create a detailed plan for creating a YouTube video. And as you can see, we have received a full action plan depicted in diagrams, which gives us a better understanding of the task and what and why we need to do. This can be quite useful in situations if you have some complex task that needs to be visualized for better understanding of the process. So the final plugin in this video is called Stories. So what can this plugin do for you? You've probably all seen this video where the author creates a book using Chat GPT and Midjourney to sell it on Amazon. Well, the Stories plugin, in just a few minutes, creates a superb story for the book with very good illustrations. For example, I'll type, create a horror story about a little girl in a zombie apocalypse. Then we follow this link to the Storybird site, and you can see a very cool story with insanely pleasant illustrations generated by artificial intelligence. That's all for me today. If you found this video useful or interesting, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new exciting videos. See you!